A nucleic acid subunit that consists of a sugar, phosphate, and a nitrogenous base, nucleotide. A nucleotide is the basic building block of DNA and RNA, which are the molecules that store and transmit genetic information. Imagine trying to assemble a piece of furniture and realizing that each component, like screws, wooden panels, and instruction manuals, is crucial for the final product. Just like building furniture requires these distinct parts to come together, a nucleotide is composed of three essential components: a sugar, a phosphate, and a nitrogenous base. In this analogy, the sugar acts like the wooden panels providing structure. The phosphate is akin to the screws that bind everything together, and the nitrogenous base is similar to the instructions guiding the assembly process, each playing a vital role in forming the complete nucleic acid structure.